for the job. The project management software market is vast, and two names that often come up for comparison are Smartsheet and Jira. Both are powerful, but they serve different primary purposes and excel in different environments. So, is Smartsheet better than Jira for project management? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's about finding the right fit for your specific project, team, and organizational context. Let's break down their strengths and weaknesses from a project management perspective to help you make an informed decision. Smartsheet, the spreadsheet supercharger for cross-functional work. Imagine taking the familiarity and flexibility of a spreadsheet and injecting it with robust project management capabilities, automation, and real-time collaboration. That's essentially Smartsheet. It appeals strongly to teams that are comfortable with a grid-like interface and need a versatile tool for various business functions, not just software development. Strengths of Smartsheet for project management. Familiarity and ease of use. For many business users, especially those transitioning from Excel, Smartsheet's grid-based interface is incredibly intuitive. The learning curve is significantly shallower than Jira's for non-technical teams. This means faster adoption and less resistance from team members. Versatile views. Smartsheet offers multiple ways to visualize your data. Grid view, the classic spreadsheet-like view for detailed data entry and organization. Gantt chart view, excellent for creating project timelines, managing dependencies, tracking critical paths, and visualizing schedules. This is a core strength for traditional project management. Card view, Kanban for visual workflow management, similar to Trello boards. Calendar view, for seeing due dates and milestones in a calendar format. These flexible views cater to different preferences and project types. Cross-functional and portfolio management. Smartsheet excels at managing projects that involve multiple departments, e.g., marketing campaigns, event planning, construction, HR initiatives. Its ability to roll up data from multiple sheets into executive dashboards makes it superb for portfolio-level visibility and reporting across diverse projects. You can easily track overall progress, identify bottlenecks, and manage resources across an entire portfolio. Powerful automation. Smartsheet offers robust automation features that can streamline repetitive tasks. You can set up rules to send alerts, request updates, assign tasks, and trigger actions based on changes in your sheet data. This reduces manual effort and ensures consistency. Robust forms. Smartsheet's form builder is highly customizable, allowing you to capture consistent data for various processes like intake requests, feedback, or data collection. These forms can be linked directly to your sheets. Workload management. Smartsheet offers strong capabilities for workload tracking and resource allocation, allowing project managers to identify team member availability and prevent overallocation. Ideal use cases for Smartsheet: marketing campaigns, planning content, tracking collateral, managing social media schedules. Event planning, coordinating venues, vendors, attendees, and tasks. Construction projects, managing schedules, materials, and contractors. Professional services, tracking client projects, deliverables, and billing. Operations and process management, documenting and automating standard operating procedures. Project management offices, PMOs for centralized oversight and reporting across multiple, diverse projects. Jira, the agile powerhouse for software development. Jira, on the other hand, comes from the world of software development. It was originally designed for issue and bug tracking, and it evolved into a highly configurable tool for agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban. Its strengths lie in its deep customization for workflows, issue types, and its robust support for the entire software development lifecycle. Strengths of Jira for project management. Agile dominance. Jira is the undisputed king of agile project management. It offers purpose-built Scrum boards, Kanban boards, backlogs, sprint planning tools, and detailed agile reports, burn-down charts, velocity charts. If your team adheres strictly to agile methodologies, Jira provides the most comprehensive feature set. Unmatched customization and workflows. Jira allows for incredibly granular customization of issue types, fields, and workflows. You can define complex state transitions with specific conditions and validators, ensuring that tasks follow a precise process. This is crucial for formal development pipelines, incident management, and intricate bug tracking processes. Powerful issue tracking. At its core, Jira is a powerhouse for tracking issues, bugs, features, and user stories. Its search, filtering, and query language, JQL, are exceptionally powerful for finding and analyzing specific work items. Developer-centric integrations. Jira integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products, Confluence for documentation, Bitbucket for code repositories, and a vast ecosystem of developer tools, making it a central hub for the software development lifecycle. Scalability for complex processes. For large software development organizations with thousands of issues, complex release cycles, and multiple cross-functional teams, Jira's robust architecture and extensive customization options can handle the complexity. Ideal use cases for Jira: software development teams, Scrum and Kanban teams, bug tracking, feature development, release management, IT operations and service management, managing IT incidents, service requests, and change management, often with Jira Service Management, DevOps teams, integrating development and operations workflows, technical product management, defining and prioritizing product backlogs and roadmaps. The verdict: it's about fit, not better. So, is Smartsheet better than Jira for project management? Choose Smartsheet if your projects are diverse, cross-functional, and require a highly visual, spreadsheet-like interface. Your team prefers a familiar, intuitive tool with a lower learning curve. You need strong portfolio management capabilities and executive-level reporting across many varied projects. You manage projects in areas like marketing, HR, operations, events, or general business processes. You value robust forms and flexible views: Gantt, card, grid. Choose Jira if your primary focus is software development and you strictly adhere to agile methodologies, Scrum, Kanban. You need incredibly deep customization of workflows, issue types, and advanced automation specific to development pipelines. You require robust issue and bug tracking capabilities with powerful search and filtering. Your team is highly technical and comfortable with a more complex, configurable interface. You benefit from seamless integrations with other development tools and the Atlassian ecosystem.